Okay. So we're gonna play a video game. Exciting. It's a scary game. Reminds me of Resident Evil. Whenever my brother was younger, he used to play that. Oh gosh, okay. Okay. So I think I have to go in the bathroom and get that thing. Okay, come on, pick it up. What the heck? Do I have to look at it? Okay, yeah. Ew. Okay. So there's roaches everywhere. Oh my god, they're so big. And there's blood. Okay. Toilet. More roaches. Just, oh god, they're everywhere. And oh my god! Somebody's walking behind me. I do not want to turn around. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Who came in? Oh my god! Ah! Okay. Shut up, baby. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh gosh. What the hell is going on? Oh my gosh. Ew. Okay. Somebody inside? What the fuck? Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. That door's open. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, I don't want to go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, just go really fast, Veronica. Oh my god, it's so dark. Holy shit! Oh my god. I'm like backing away from the TV right now. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. 20, 48, 63. No, 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 I don't want to look behind me. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I don't want to do anything. Oh gosh, okay. Oh gosh, okay, 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 what is it? What the hell is going on? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna run it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Why can't you freaking run? Oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Holy shit! Wait, what the fuck? Am I dead? What are you... What is she doing? Okay. That was terrifying. I think I died. Oh my god. Okay. Okay.